Exness Trading Overview. Exness is a well-known Forex and CFD broker that provides trading services for currencies, commodities, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. It is popular for its low spreads, fast execution, and flexible leverage options. Key features of Exness. Checkmark regulated broker. Exness is regulated by FSA, Seychelles, CYSEC, Cyprus, and FCA, UK, ensuring credibility. Checkmark multiple trading accounts, offers standard and professional accounts for different trading styles. Checkmark low spreads and fees, competitive spreads, especially on major Forex pairs. Checkmark flexible leverage, can go as high as 1 to 2,000 or even unlimited for certain accounts. Checkmark instant withdrawals, supports fast withdrawals via various payment methods, including crypto. Checkmark MetaTrader platforms, supports MT4 and MT5, widely used by traders. Checkmark wide range of instruments, Forex, CFDs on stocks, indices, metals, oil, and cryptocurrencies. Checkmark copy trading, allows beginners to copy successful traders. Pros and cons of trading with Exness. Checkmark pros: user-friendly interface and mobile app. Low deposit requirements. 24/7 customer support. No hidden commissions on standard accounts. Crossmark. Cons: not available in some countries, e.g., USA. High leverage can lead to quick losses if risk is not managed properly. Mainly focuses on Forex, with limited stock trading options. Is Exness good for you? Best for Forex traders who want tight spreads and high leverage. Good for beginners due to its low minimum deposit and demo account. Not ideal for long-term investors, as it mainly offers CFDs rather than actual asset ownership. Would you like guidance on how to start trading with Exness? Or do you need help with a trading strategy?